It's back again, like tools. What are you doing?
Our chairs sound like they're beeping.
They are beeping. Yours is beeping.
Really?
It just stopped for half a second. Stand up and then sit back down. Stand up again. Sit down. Stand up, sit down real fast.
I was completely joking when I said that. And the lady came in, she was like, what is that beeping sound? I was like, our chairs are dollies up. But I was completely kidding.